Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna show to you how to link PayPal to Cash App. So basically, if you want to link these two finance apps, basically you can't do that. So I found this recent article that says that there is no option to transfer money directly from PayPal to the Cash App. So you can't do that. But what you can do, you can basically order a Cash App card, and then what you can do, you can link it to your PayPal account. So I'm going to show to you how to do that. So after you order your Cash App card, which is free, you'll have to log in into your PayPal account, and then you'll have to simply add that card here. So you'll have to go to wallet, and then here it says banks and cards, tap on the plus button, and then tap on debit and credit cards. Then you'll have to simply add that card here, and then when you withdraw money from PayPal, you can withdraw it to that card, and basically this will add that money to your Cash App account balance basically. Now if you want, you can use Cash App to pay with PayPal basically. So when you try to pay with PayPal, if you have that Cash App card linked to your PayPal account, basically PayPal will take first money from that card and then will pay for it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.